sure that you're a certain age and that's what you do.
Like, should we have a debate? Have a debate about what makes you weak.
So what makes you weak then, Sam?
Uni.
Yeah, but that's a bit
Walking.
Lizzie, how are you?
What bad?
Lizzie?
what makes me weak. When bad things happen.
I'm good, thank
Weak
you.
in what
I was
way?
phoning for a slightly strange reason. I'm doing an art project at the moment, and it involves me speaking to lots of different female members of my family. And so I phoned you.
Are you recording that?
Weaknesses, like surrounding women and how they feel that they're weak. And I was wondering if I could ask you what makes you feel weak.
What makes you feel weak?
Yeah, just in general, like any kind of weakness. I've just asked Nana, and she thought she wasn't sure whether to like say emotional, like physical weakness, and so I just said really whatever comes to mind.
Yes. Well, yes, sometimes emotional and sometimes when I do too much. I get, the reaction I get is weakness afterwards.
Yeah.
It comes from old age as well.
Hi, is it alright if I have you on loudspeaker? Yeah.
So that makes you weak.
Thank you. This is a bit weird, I'm not gonna lie.
I
know, that's what Mum said when I told her. I was like, Mum, do you mind if I phone up? She was like, it's fine. And I was like, they won't think I'm weird. She was like, no, they will, but they know. Patronise her. And is that universal?
Okay, lovely. What do you want to ask me?
Okay, I wanted to ask you, what makes you feel weak? Like, in the sense of kind of, not so much like physical weakness, just like inferior and that kind of. That's it. See, that's interesting because she said thing. I've already asked Nana, and just like as an idea, she said it's when she's patronised, that kind of thing.
I don't have it. Yeah, or what makes me feel weak. It makes me angry, so it doesn't make you weak. Not when you're ill, like
that's really interesting. Yeah, that as well, just like anything, to be honest.
Yes. Right, well, very much when you've had lack of sleep. When you're tired, obviously then your blood pressure's low and you feel really weak.
Yeah. But no. Yeah.
For me, I suppose.
Yeah, it is a bit strange.
Say I'm working, a client comes in and is extremely rude.
Yeah.
I guess that in a sense would make another one, and it sort of makes you feel really small and little. You can be really patronising towards you, so something like that.
Yeah. So
like
like a lack of respect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else would make you feel weak?
Work.
No, a male member of your. Hold on, I'm listening to you on that. Makes you feel. You should pretend he's a female member of the family.
I will.
Knowledge when someone asks you a question, you don't know the answer because you don't have the knowledge to answer it.
That is a really good point. Yeah. Who was that?
Well, hearing the jealousy that other people have done things that are really good, and you don't feel you could do that, so you feel weak.
Yeah, that's cool. That's a really interesting one, actually.
Good one.
That's what you've got. Sophie said good one.
But it's only one question. She thinks the question's going to be what age is Mum?
Yeah, can I pretend that he's a woman? Is that alright?
He is a woman, don't worry about it. I'm laughing now. Did you need any more answers?
No, that was really great. Thank you. I've got loads. I'll put you back onto Sophie.
Do you want to call us back in a minute?
I'm sure that you're a certain age and that's what you do. But people can do the same thing sometimes. They don't have to be stereotyped. And men can be very patronising.
Yeah.
Because they will, it's the old-fashioned idea which they had probably in the 40s and 50s when a woman stays at home, looks after the babies, and she doesn't go back. But the women today are all. I mean, look. Did you watch the TV debates last night?
Yeah, I did.
I mean, that Nicola Sturgeon, she was very good, wasn't she?
Yeah,
the
she
Scots
was.
One. I mean, she's no threat because she wants Scots.
Yeah.
But she was actually.
She was indeed. You wouldn't have seen, but on the internet they were really they were calling her all sorts of names, and they were calling her a lovely lass and like good old dear and like.
You see, these are the things that women don't like. It's like lovely, like you see when you hear members of Parliament, they wouldn't say to a man, said by another man to another man, that's okay.